Montessori Math Area is designed to cultivate a deep understanding of mathematics in children. It follows a hands-on, concrete to abstract approach, which begins with simple concepts and gradually moves to complex operations. The area is equipped with specially designed materials that can help children understand mathematical concepts visually and physically before moving to abstract ideas. Children can learn concepts like counting, addition, subtraction, multiplication, and divisions, as well as more advanced topics like fractions, geometry, and algebra. The Montessori Math Area aims to build a solid mathematical foundation, fostering problem-solving skills, logical thinking, and a love for mathematics in children.